Good afternoon, everyone, and again, welcome back in the class, English class. Now, my dear student, we have completed chapter 6, that was how to climb trees, and I hope you all have done the exercises, but I'm really sorry to say that you all are not submitting it properly on time. So be careful, student. Do the work on time and submit it on time so that I can check it properly and give you some remarks. Now, dear student, as we have done the literature portion and the grammar portion of our previous chapter, how to climb trees, chapter 6. So we have left the writing skills. I have told you already that we will be doing that work afterwards. Now today in this class, let us try to discuss some information about the writer of the chapter 7, that is never. चैप्टर 7 का नेवर जो लेखक है उसके बारे में हम लोग आज कुछ बातें करेंगे. So I will just give you the information as I have been doing previously also. Now chapter 7 we are going to read about never. Never means पड़ोसी, a person living next door. हम लोग के परिवार अथवा घर के नज़दीक में रहने वाले को हम लोग नेवर कहते हैं. So it has this short work. It has been written by Sigrun Srivastava. Let us have some discussion about her today. So let us know some information about her today. So let us move to have some information. You can see on the screen also. She was born in 1943 and she is 77 years old now. Now let us look at the screen. Sigrun Srivastava. Sigrun Srivastava is an Indian author of German origin. She is a multifaceted artist, a writer, a sculptor and an illustrator. जर्मन का है वो और she is multifaceted artist. वो एक मल्टीफेस्टेड आर्टिस्ट है, स्कल्पचर, एक मूर्तिकार भी है जो वुड अथवा मेटल अथवा किसी वस्तु में कार्व करके आकार देना, स्कल्पचर, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्कल्पचर. मूर्तिकार, शिल्पी भी कहते हैं हम लोग. इलस्ट्रेटर, अ पर्सन, चित्रकार, अ पर्सन हु पेंट्स और ड्रॉज फॉर द बुक के लिए ड्राइंग करना अथवा पेंट करना. That person is called an illustrator. As a writer, she has written over 25 books for children of all ages. ये बच्चे के लिए ये सिग्रुन श्रीवास्तव बच्चे के लिए किताब लिखते हैं. And she has written over 25 books for the children of all ages, 12 to 14. Now, her interest as an illustrator and a writer come together in her picture books for preschool children. Now यहाँ पे वो कितना इंटरेस्टेड है इलस्ट्रेटर, अब ड्राइंग करना अथवा पेंटिंग करना बच्चे के बुक में. We can have that evident from the different children book. Her stories for 12 to 14 years old display a rare sensitivity towards the feelings, dreams, joys and fears of children of that age. अब यहाँ पे उसका स्टोरी जो 12 ले 14 साल का जो बच्चे होता है उसके लिए एक बहुत किस्म का एक मोटिवेशनल होता है, एक ज्ञान देने वाला होता है. बच्चे एक सेंसिटिव हो जाए वो पढ़ के अथवा वो उसका ड्राइंग उस पर देख के अबाउट जॉयस, फियर्स, फीलिंग्स, ड्रीम्स, ये सब एक टॉपिक्स रख के अथवा एक इसको सेंटर थीम रख के वो स्टोरी अथवा कोई भी लेख प्रस्तुत करती है 12 to 14 years old बच्चे के लिए. One of her most popular book is A Moment of Truth, in which she has brought together true life stories from all over the world. उसने उसका सबसे पॉपुलर बुक ऑफ मूवमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ। ये बुक है जहाँ पे उसने ट्रू लाइफ स्टोरीज को उसने वहाँ पे लिखा गया है, उस पर वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट किया है फ्रॉम अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, संसार के सब जगह का ट्रू स्टोरी लाइफ वो उस किताब में लिखा है। सो इट इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर। Sigrun's writing are distinguished by a strong social consciousness, as is evident from her concern about ecological problem, the plight of the different abled and poverty. Now यहाँ पे उसका जो भूख है दूसरे से अलग करता है, क्योंकि वो सोशल थीम के बारे में, तो सोशल इंसिडेंट के बारे में, सोशल प्रॉब्लम के बारे में ये सब वो किताब में लिखती है। इसीलिए ये दूसरा लेखक का किताब से अलग होता है। नाउ कंसर्न अबाउट इकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम, पर्यावरण एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में भी सब वो अपनी किताब में लिखती है। द प्लाइट ऑफ द डिफरेंट एबल्ड एंड पॉवर्टी, दुर्दशा, गरीबपना, एबल डिसेबल पर्सन, पॉवर्टी, ऐसे बारे में ये सब को मिश्रित करके, ये मिक्सर करके वो कथा को अथवा कोई भी लेख को वो प्रस्तुत करती है। इसीलिए हर बुक बिकम्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर बुक्स, अदर ऑथर्स बुक। नाउ Sigrun has also written scripts for children's films for both television and cinema. She lives in Delhi. Now she is still alive. She lives in Delhi. वो दिल्ली में रहती है। Now उसने सिग्रुन ने क्या किया है, बच्चे के लिए टेलीविज़न और सिनेमा के लिए स्क्रिप्ट भी लिखा है। So that was all about Sigrun Srivastav. So let us have something more about her work. These are the books that she has written. Heroes Never Die, The Mystery of Bulabai, No Time for Fear, and other stories. Dear student, you can get more information if you try to get it from the net. You can search it and have more information about her. Marshall Marcelli and the Angel Pact, Moment of Truth, No Time for Fear, The Ghost Rider of Darbhanga. So these are all the work that she has given to the public. These are all the books that she has given to the public. Now let us move to some more information. She was born in 1943. She is now 77 years old. Book, popular books, अथवा books, her books, A Moment of Truth, True Stories from Around the World, The Mystery, and more books are there written by her. People, now, dear student, this is all thing that we have got some information about Sigrun Srivastav. So you can make a short notes on her. You can write some paragraphs on her by following the information that I have given you today. So dear student, now let us stop the class here. We will be continuing our chapter 7 written by Sigrun Srivastav tomorrow or in the later class. Till then, try to do all the work completely, all the lesson that we have read till now. So spend a nice time at home. Don't bother your parents, don't give trouble to your parents. Instead, you spend more time in study and practicing the difficult subjects, so that you will not forget what you have learned in the school hour. So now let us stop here. We will meet in another class. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you for listening, and bye.